Welcome back to our channel today. We have something truly special in store for you as we delve into the top 4 UK halfpenny coins from the years 1941 to 1944 and their incredible values at heritage auctions. If you're a coin enthusiast, you won't want to miss this. Let's kick things off with the 1941 UK halfpenny coin. These coins are known for their stunning design, featuring a profile of King George VI on the obverse and a beautiful ship design on the reverse. In recent years, the value of the 1941 halfpenny has been steadily increasing, making it a sought-after piece among collectors. At heritage auctions, a well-preserved 1941 halfpenny can fetch anywhere from $200,000 to $300,000 in uncirculated condition-proof coin depending on its condition and rarity. Moving on to 1942, this year marked a significant period in world history due to World War II. The 1942 UK halfpenny is a historical artifact, and its value reflects its importance. These coins, with their iconic wartime design, have been known to sell for $100,000 to $300,000 for single coin. The rarity and condition of the coin play a crucial role in determining its auction price. Next up, we have the 1943 UK halfpenny coin. Interestingly, 1943 marked a pivotal year when the Royal Mint faced metal shortages, leading to some unique coin production. The 1943 halfpenny was minted in both bronze and zinc-plated steel, with the steel version being especially rare. As a result, the 1943 halfpenny coins are highly sought after by collectors. The values at heritage auctions can range from $59,000 to $200,000 for this single coin in good condition-proof coin depending on the material and condition. Lastly, we have the 1944 UK halfpenny coin. These coins were produced during the final year of World War II, and like their predecessors, they hold historical significance. The 1944 halfpenny is known for its distinct design and craftsmanship. At heritage auctions, you can find these coins selling for $40,000 to $100,000 at good condition-proof coin, with factors like rarity and condition playing a significant role. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the world of UK halfpenny coins from 1941 to 1944 and their values at heritage auctions. Remember, the world of coin collecting is both fascinating and rewarding, and these historical coins are a testament to that. If you have any of these coins in your collection, make sure to take good care of them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel,